Alright, so if you've got a big PDF file and only need a few pages, or you want to break it into smaller files, yeah, that's totally doable. Using Smallpdf, you can split PDF pages quickly and for free. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it the easy way. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see multiple tools for editing PDF files. Now, click on Split PDF. This tool lets you extract or divide pages from your file. Next, upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop it or select it from your device. You'll see options like extracting specific pages or splitting into multiple files. Choose the option based on what you need. Now select the pages you want. Click on individual pages or choose a range. Click Split and wait a few seconds. Smallpdf will process your file automatically. Once it's ready, download your new PDF files. You'll now have only the pages you selected. Open the files and check everything looks correct. Make sure the pages are exactly what you needed. So yeah, that's how to split PDF pages using Smallpdf for free in 2026. Quick, simple, and super useful for managing large documents.